Hi, it's Liz from learnluxembourgish.com. I'm always asked for more audio, and I would love to provide it on a very regular basis. And maybe that's my New Year's resolution actually. Now that you know what is over, it's time to get back into a routine, time for more social media for me. But I'm not sure of the content, the format yet exactly. So let me know in the comments what you would like to see. I'm just brainstorming today. Anyway, my words, Luxembourgish words for today. A Schauspieler, an actor. So a Schauspieler, the Schauspieler is masculine. Eine Schauspielerin is the feminine, the actress. And what do they do? Was machen sie? Schauspieler spielen an einem Film. So there you have Schauspieler in the plural version. The actors are playing in a movie. Which movie? The Christmas movie. A Chrëschtdeegsfilm. Was ist dein Lieblings-Chrëschtdeegsfilm? What's your favorite Christmas movie? For me, the ultimate essence of the Christmas movie is Home Alone, Macaulay Culkin. That's probably because it's been playing over and over again since my childhood. What about you? What's your favorite? I'll try my best to be a little more active on social media again. And until then, schéi Chrëschtdeeg, Merry Christmas.